welcome back to another Tuesday Tips and Tricks. Today's video is going to be for our soap makers. A lot of you order our melt and pour soap bases in these 25-pound cases, and we're going to show you a neat little trick that you can do to be able to get the amount of soap that you need out of this and not mess up your packaging or anything. So our 25-pound cases of soap come in these cardboard boxes, and as you can see, they're all lined with this like kind of foil lining here. It helps keep moisture out and everything. And as you can see, the soap is poured into this box, and it can be a little bit difficult to get the soap out. I know some people will use like a trowel or a spoon or something and scoop it out, but let me show you an easier way to do this. These boxes have these little flaps here, and you just pull up on them, and you can completely unfold the box just like this, and you can go ahead and cut off the amount of soap that you need, and then whenever you're done, everything just folds right back up like this. You tuck those little flaps in, and you can put your lid back on. It's a pretty neat little trick. I definitely think that it makes it easy to, get the soap out of the case that you need for whatever project that you're making. That's it for this week's tips and tricks. Come back next week for more.